He blanked his project before yesterday's deadline. Finishes, had finished, was finishing. Una munang tanong, kailan ba niya natapos yung project? Kahapon, before the deadline. So we're looking for something past. Therefore, eliminate na natin yung finishes kasi present yan. So may dalawa tayong past dito, past perfect at past progressive, yung ing form. Ngayon, i-analyze natin, natapos niya before the deadline. So therefore, hindi tayo pwede mag-progressive kasi ibig sabihin ng progressive, ongoing pa yung action nung deadline. Ginagawa niya pa yung action nung deadline. In progress pa yung action na yan. Yung paggawa niya ng project nung deadline, hindi nga ganun yung idea ng sentence. Natapos niya na before. Therefore, ang tamang sagot, had finished, past perfect. Lagi ko naman pinatatandaan sa inyo, pag past perfect, ibig sabihin prior to past, before another past action or event. So dito, na-complete niya na yung action